this plant you might walk by without noticing, but it's actually a really cool plant that you can find in the woodland forest. This is Asarum arifolia, and it's in the same genus as wild ginger, Asarum canadense, and it has these pretty inconspicuous looking leaves here. They're almost, heart-shaped and have some almost patterning there. Here's another example. It's really kind of variable in its leaf shape. Sometimes it'll be more pointed like this, sometimes it'll be a bit more rounded like that. But similar to wild ginger, Asarum arifolia here has this really interesting evolutionary invention when it comes to pollination. So if it's anything like wild ginger, Asarum canadense, then it relies on ants and crawling bugs for its pollination of its flowers. And you may wonder, well, where do the flowers come from? Well, you have to actually dig under the leaf cover, or sometimes even the dirt, to find the flowers. So this plant is also known as little brown jugs, because as you can find, you'll get this really interesting looking flower developing from the very base of the plant here. So that is the jug that ants will crawl into and then pollinate, and they'll move between plants. This one may have some little brown jugs as well. Let's see. Maybe not. You never know. It's always worth giving a little dig around the base of these plants. Again, it's sort of inconspicuous. It's very low to the ground. There are other things that would likely get your attention before this one. But if you ever find Asarum canadense or Asarum arifolia here, then take a look, see if you'll find a little brown jug, and you'll know that you have something pretty darn neat. Again, this is Asarum arifolia. It is a woodland, low-lying plant here, and it's very neat.